Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your listening history on the Pocket Casts application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket Casts application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password, or by using your Google account. Once you are logged in and taken into the Discover page, you will be able to find various different podcasts. Now, if you wish to clear your listening history, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the listening history section. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now see all of the podcasts that you have listened within this application. Now, if you wish to clear your listening history, then there is no particular option to delete just a few, and you will need to clear all of them at once. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and you will now see the Clear Listening History option. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on the Clear All option to confirm your decision. Once you tap on this button, all of your listening history will be cleared from the Pocket Casts application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your listening history on Pocket Casts app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.